Hello and welcome back. In today's video, you will learn how to use magazines to help your child learn how to read. Happy Tuesday and welcome back. My name is Jamie and I am an elementary reading specialist. Watch this video until the end to hear today's shout out, giveaway winners, and new giveaway. We have a lot of fun on this channel. So bring your coffee and let's start. What are sight words or Dolch words? If you have a child who's in pre-kindergarten, kindergarten, first grade, second grade, or third grade, it's likely that you've heard the term sight words, Dolch words, fry words. So what are sight words? Sight words are words that kids cannot sound out or decode. They're words that they have to memorize so that when they're reading a book or reading a magazine or reading a text or reading anything with print, they know the word by heart in a second, like that. So, it's very important that your child learn sight words and they do it in a fun way. So how can magazines help your child learn how to read sight words? Just simply find a magazine you have in your house. So I have this one. Happy fall, by the way. So this is a Women's Day Halloween Fun magazine. And what I did is I went ahead and I just tore out some pages that already had lots of sight words for you to see. This one was called Pizza Party. And the cool thing is, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Their subtitle right here, all sight words or Dolch words, right there. So they had make your rest day the best day. Make your rest day the best day. All Dolch words, all sight words. So when you're reading your magazine, you can sit with your child, find somewhere fun to read, and you can have your child look through the magazine, you can look through the magazine, and you can point out some of these words and use your finger and say, make your rest day the best day. Hey, those are sight words. They're the ones you need to learn for school. They're the ones that are going to help you become an awesome reader. You could have your child take scissors and cut this out. They could glue it on a piece of paper. Or they could just read it with you. Fun. Here's another page. Remember, these are all in the Women's Day magazine, Halloween Fun, the one that's currently out. Here was a page 71. This was about Lunchables, a little ad on the side. And take brunch to an awesome level. And take, to, and, all Dolch words. Your child, again, could cut this out and glue it onto a piece of paper and you could practice it. Page 11. I love this one. Smile File. I just love this in general. Look, and it has fun graphics for the kids. Look at that gumball machine that has all those smiles. Kids love things like this. On this page, you have words like put these on, their, your, of. Right there on that fun page. All Dolch words, all sight words. Again, you could have your child find them, they could highlight them, they could use crayon, marker, circle them, cut them out, practice writing them. And you're showing them your love of reading and showing them that reading is important to you and learning to read is important to you, and they're going to love that. Here's a fun one. Kids love food. Look at this. Today, snack a little bolder. Today, snack a little bolder. The word little. That's a sight word. Now, you could put these on flashcards, you know the words, and you could just have your child read them, and that's okay. But let's get creative. Let's have some fun. Find the words in magazines. So much more fun. Now, those are just some examples from some of the pages in, again, Women's Day Halloween Fun. On every page, honestly, there are sight words, because sight words are those words that are everywhere. They're ones we learn by sight in a snap again, the ones that kids need to learn by heart, they need to memorize, so that when they're reading a magazine or a book, when they come to that word like your or little, they're not trying to tap it out. No, they need to just go to it and say little. That's going to help them become a better reader. Now, you might say, I don't really order any magazines. Well, look at this. My husband loves Duke. He gets the Duke collection gift catalog every year. You probably get catalogs, right? From your favorite stores, universities. Right on the front of this Duke collection, there are words. The, only, of, in, the, that, from. Collection of Gifts 2020, 2021. The only collection of Duke merchandise in the world that actually comes from Duke University. So again, right on the front, your child, you could help them read that. They could cut it out if your husband lets you. Now, I put some post-it notes. I don't want to tear ones out of this one. Okay, but you could. Here's just some examples. They're showing sweatshirts from Duke that are for sale. At the top, from the vault. Guess what? From and the are sight words. Now here's something else interesting. So something else you can show your child is like different fonts. You know, when we type and when we read, books use different fonts. So this one has like a fancier font. So it's going to help your child see, oh, it looks different than just, you know, the printed version. It's kind of like a cursive font there. That was page 3. Page 13, they're showing business attire. This page says, the Duke Blazer collection by Peter Miller is made exclusively for and is available only through Duke University stores. Guess what? Did you hear those sight words? The, by, is, made, for, and is only through. So those are some examples of sight words you could find in a catalog that you get in the mail. Now, also, if you want to go online, you could print out a list of these sight words, because you might say, okay, well that's great, I can use a magazine, but how do I know what the sight words are or the Dolch words? Well, you can simply do a Google search. You type in sight words or Dolch words, D-O-L-C-H. Again, they are words usually from pre-K to 3rd grade. These are all the Dolch sight words in alphabetical order. You could easily look at them online and print them. If you print them out, there are 2 pages. That's it. 2 pages. 1, 2. And they're in alphabetical order. Or you could also print them by grade level. So here are all the Dolch sight words. There are 40 for pre-kindergarten. Pre-kindergarten, so that's your 4-year-olds. Dolch sight words kindergarten, your 5 and 6-year-olds, there are 52 words. 1st grade, there are 41 words, your 6 and 7-year-olds. 2nd grade, 46 words. And even in 3rd grade, there are sight words, and it usually stops about 3rd grade. There are 41 words. So by the time your child gets to 3rd grade, they're going to have a lot of sight words memorized up in their brain so that when they're reading, it makes reading that much easier and they're not a struggling reader. You can also print on sightwords.com Dolch sight word listed by category. They have it again listed like this: pre-kindergarten, kindergarten, 1st grade, 2nd grade, 3rd grade, and nouns. So again, that's just by doing a Google search. Okay. I hope today you learned how you can use magazines to teach your child how to read, some easy and fun things. In next week's video, I'm going to teach you some fun sight word games. Okay, today's winners from my first video, my video trailer, I said if you commented and liked the video and subscribed, you got to win a $5 Dunkin' Donut gift card. Woohoo! So, let's see whose winner is. All right, the $5 Dunkin' Donut gift card winner is Teacher Fashion on Locket. Congratulations, Teacher Fashion on Locket. You won a $5 Dunkin' Donut gift card. This teacher is awesome. I follow her on Instagram and YouTube. If you haven't checked her out yet, follow her, Teacher Fashion on Locket. Congratulations. Okay, next winner is from last week's video. How to teach kids to read using a kid's cookbook. Thank you to everybody who commented, liked, and subscribed. All right, let's see who wins. Congratulations, Abby! Abby, you won a kid's cookbook. Thank you so much for your kind comments. Woohoo! All right, now, today, please like, subscribe, hit the bell, and comment below what is your favorite magazine. The winner for this week will win a sight word bingo game you can play with your child. I used to use this when I was a first grade teacher in the classroom, and I would have literacy centers, and I was lucky I had a teacher assistant, and she would play with a small group of children, anywhere from 3 to 6 kids at a small table, and they would play sight word bingo. But you could play this at home with your child. Everyone loves bingo. Or if you're a teacher, you can do it the same way. Use this in a literacy center. You can play it with your kids, or have a volunteer or a teacher assistant help you. It's a great way to learn those sight words. Okay, so the giveaway starts today, Tuesday, September 22nd, and runs till next Tuesday, September 29th. Comment again below, what's your favorite magazine, to have a chance to win sight word bingo. This game is valued at about $12 to $15, so it's a good giveaway. All right, remember, let the reading adventure begin. Bye, friends. See you next Tuesday.